Hey guys, this is Brown Insanity. This is Tristan speaking. Today we're going to learn how to make the traditional paper airplane. Now, a lot of people, for some reason, do not know how to make this paper airplane, but it's very simple, I kid you not. So we're going to get right to it. Now, you just need really simple A4, Xerox paper, whatever. And you need 2 hands, no offense. And you're just going to want to fold your paper in half, quite perfectly I presume, and have like a hot dog or a wiener. Fold it perfectly in half. I like to do this to it to just get a really fine line, Now you're going to want to take one edge of the hot dog wiener paper and you're going to want to fold it down perfectly like this. A little bit sketchy right there. Make sure it's lined up with the edge right there and just fold it like that. Now do the same to the other side of the wiener paper. Okay, so that looks pretty good. It should look like this. Now you're going to want to take one edge like this of the paper and fold it down to this corner. Like this. Fold it quite perfectly, which I am trying to do. Do all this fancy crap and do like this. Then you're going to want to take, it should look like this by the way, then you're going to want to take the wing, one side, and fold it kind of like this. So it's got kind of a cool little nose there. Looks like an owl. Fold it nice and brown, just like that. By now it should look like this, with the crippled wing. And do the same exact thing to the other side. Okay, so this is not perfect by any means, but let's go try to fly it. Bam!